Well, hello, trader nerds. Welcome into a Monday. Never trade alone. Trade with your friends. Trade with the trader nerds. We are having a wonderful day. Sorry, I had to start late because of my power outage, and I did pay the bill. Believe it or not, I paid it before I went on vacation. So it wasn't my fault this time. So the power is on. Everything looks good. And our big green monster tells us that price is fairly priced, y'all. It is fairly priced. Where are we going? Where are we doing? We would anticipate that we're going to fill in these little areas here, and point of control is at the 50% line. So we are going to 44.85, 44.88. It is a matter of time. And as you'll see, we've already been there before. So 44.98, we're going back up to 44.88. When? I don't know, but it is coming. Let's look at the linear regression channel. Linear regression channel pops right off of the mid band of the linear regression channel and pops back up. And now we got a doji candle there. We got a doji candle there, which means the last two trading candles are unmoved. Y'all, we are undecided. We do not know where we want to go. So the market today, let's look at our market internals. The AD is 238. VIX is at 15.25. So volume is very weak. Maybe it's because we're here at 2 o'clock in the day. I don't know. It's been really kind of weak all day. So people are still on vacation. So we're still in that 15-minute range of doing nothing. The market's just done nothing all day. This is a great day to do your zero DTE iron condors and make you lots and lots of money. I'm not going to do it because I like my bladder too much. I like peeing when I got to pee. I don't want to sit up behind this computer screen all stinking day. I gained 5 pounds on vacation, and I lost 1.6 pounds after I got back from vacation. So I'm on my way back to prosperity. All right. So that's what our market looks like. What does our account look like? Normally when I go on vacation, I mess with my trading plan. I try not to do that. I try to personally develop myself so I don't worry about trading, but I cannot help it. When I'm sitting on the beach and Beth looking at me going, Bobby, you good looking, handsome stud, you know, I'm sitting there going, oh, IV, Delta, Theta, Gamma, Vega. I mean, you know, I'm thinking trading, y'all. It's just hard for me to get it out of my brain. And I tried some different things this week, and I'm going to share that with you. Some tweaks that I made to the plan. 38,063, 38,063. Let's get it down here and see how we're doing. 38,063. And yesterday we were at 38,022. So we're at 38,063. Praise the Lord Jesus. Hallelujah. All right, so our Greeks and ratios are at 111.61, 111.61, 61. Now, I got to tell you, so VIX has popped at 15. I've got some debits or credit spreads in here that I probably need to get rid of. So we're at 13,290 in buying power. 13,290, same thing as yesterday or over the weekend. Okay, 13,290 is where we're at. So we're 35%. We're at 0.16% in Theta. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. So at 15%, that goes up to 0.2%. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so what we need to do is probably there are some ES positions that I need to take off. So we got some 52 dayers. We've got some 39 dayers in here. Let's see what we could take some of these off. So we got a 36.50, 35.50 put credit spread. Let's see what we can close that for. Under $1. 65 cents. Why would you keep this on? It's a winner, y'all. Let's see if we can fill it at 60 cents. Let's try to be greedy and get rid of that. Nope, not going to let me. So let's come back and put it in at 65 cents. Come on, fill me, baby. So we sold this thing for $5 or so. So we made a lot of money on it if we can get out. Just take it off. Place. We'll go to 70. I ain't going a dime more. And we are out, sweet baby. So this now gives us 103.55. Let's see what that looks like. 103.55. 103.55. And the buying power has gone down to We got to do this little thing over here where we go positions, update this. Unbelievable. I have to do this. So we're at 11,979 now. So let's see what that looks like. 11,979. 11,979. So we look at 31%. We should be at 30%. Remember, I am pushing this account. I am pushing this, and I want to try to use up to 50% of my buying power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new trade today, and I want to show you what I did last week. So new trade, let's put a 112 on. So let's go to the macros. Let's go to the macros. Oh, Bobby, oh, Bobby. In table mode. Let's go, we'll see if we can go into the 66 day and see if we can get 20, see if IV is elevated enough that we can sell a 9 delta for $20. And it do not look like it. So it looks like we're gonna have to go further out, right? So we'll go 60. Last week I was able to do that. So let's go to the 81 day. And let's go to the 9% probability of being in the money. And oh yeah, look at 39.50 sitting there waiting for daddy to come on in the neighborhood. So let's get 2 of those and let's try to move that to the mid price of $22. Come on, baby. I said 21.75. Y'all didn't hear me say that. So let's say try 21.75 just so we can get filled. I don't like playing around. I got stuff to do. Oh my gosh, I said 21.50. Y'all didn't hear me say that. Let's go down to 21.50. Now this ought to feel. All right, 21.50. All right, we are in, baby. All right, in. So this is an 81-day option. So we need at least 41 days of the put debit spread. So I can't do 39. So because that's not enough days, I want to do 52 days will be where we do it. Okay, now. Here's where I made a little bit of a change this week. And is Victor here today? I hope Victor's here because I want to just talk through it.
I'm here.
Okay, Victor, let me tell you what I did last week. And it was kind of cool, right? Victor's probably going to hate this idea. But what I did is on Monday, I did a 100-point wide put debit spread. On Tuesday, I did a 200 wide put debit spread. On Wednesday, I did a 300. On Friday, I did a 400 wide put debit spread. On Friday, I did a 500-point wide put debit spread. Now, if you average all those out, they would all average out to be 300. So does it matter that if I did 100 or 500 or 300? Probably not. But to me, it was just a fun little experiment because I kind of wanted to do some of those 500s to ease out my break even a little bit to the left of the curve. So, giving me more crash type protection. But of course, with the 100s, you get more of a grind down protection. So I guess really I could have just done 300 wide and been just fine with it. So I don't know if I like that better or not, but it was kind of cool being able to do a 500 wide put debit spread. And I don't know. I think that's what we're going to talk about on Friday in our Muscadine Mafia Hello Ladies game.
Hello, ladies.
And our Ninja Nerds group about doing them with different things. But I think today, I think I'm just going to do a 300 wide because it's easy to find. Normally, I go down to the same probability. Let's see if it works today. If I go down to a 9% probability being in the money, and that's going to be, say, the 40-40, and I buy the 40-40, and 300 down will be 37.40. So let's sell the 37. I said the 37 something. Let's see, it's not, I don't have strikes there. So let's sell the 40.25, 37.25. Yeah, here. 925 sounds pretty good. Let's move it to 950. That'll get us 300-point wide and shawanka danka. We are in and we have our trade of the day. So let's see if it made any difference on our little graph over here at all. Kind of refresh that. I'm always trying to move that, and it did. It actually did. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually moved my little break even down a little bit to the left. So cool. Cool. Looks really good. We got a 97% probability of profit, and I feel good about that. All right, let's go to the more conservative account. This is going to be a IRA account. So let's get that one up and see how we're doing over here. In the IRA account, baby, Baby doll. Y'all, it was so hard being eye candy for a week for all the women and a few men out there at the Myrtle Beach, just sitting there going, people were gawking at me. 86,649. So 86,649. Let's see what that looks like. And you know what it's like to be eye candy. I mean, it's embarrassing. I mean, the way women looked at me. 86,649. I'm like, ladies, y'all need to
Well, we're moving on
think so.
now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Control yourself, women. Control yourself. My gosh. All right. Now, when the little cart with the Italian shaved ice come by and the little girl that was running that, I was like, Devin, son, look at that. You can wear a bikini and sell Italian shaved ice on the beach. I said, and Beth's like, oh, you dirty old man, you just getting your eyes full. I'm like, Beth, I'm trying to talk to my teenage son here. Will you mind your own business instead? I'm trying to show the boy that there's an old gal selling Italian ice out on the beach, so he needs to get a job so he can work alongside her. That's what I was trying to do. All right, what did I do? Okay, so let's see. Our deltas are 102, 72, 103, 72. Let's put that in. 103, 72, 103, 72. So we're a little blue here on our theta. Our buying power usage may be up there a little bit. 22, 150, 22, 150. So, yeah, everything looks good. It looks good that we can put a trade in on this one account, right? Because our buying power is fine. This is the more conservative account, but let's do it, baby. So let's go ahead and do another one over here. Do a 111 trade. And first of all, let's see if there's anything we need to manage in this account. Aha, look at this. Oh, be still my heart. Y'all, it is telling us, hey, Bobby, you've got all these put credit spreads that you've got on that are ready to be closed. Oh, be still, close something. So, I don't have to close them all because I'm low theta, but let's start taking some profits. You want to? So let's close the 36.50, 35.50. We've got two of those. So let's close two of those, 36.50, 35.50. Let's see if we can go find them. All right, here we go. 36.50, 35.50. So put credit spreads. I need to delete that call credit spread crap. I ain't doing that for a darn minute. All right, put credit spreads. What the devil's this? So here's my T-bills. So we said we were going to close the 36.50, 35.50. So here it is. 36. No, that ain't it. 36.50. What did we say? We had two of them. 36.50, 32.50. Let's see if this is it. No, that ain't it. Dagnabbit. 36.25. That ain't it. 36. That ain't it. 3,800. That ain't it. 36. So that ain't it. What is it? Oh. 36.30, 36.35, 36.40, 36.40, 36.20. Here, I thought I had it. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I need my mama. Where's my mama? 36.20. Do y'all see a 36.50? Here it is. Here's the dang thing. Once I'm gonna say one of them, I got 36.50, 35.50. So let's close this one. Create closing order. 36.50, 35.50 at 75 cents. Let's see if we can get out of that. That's only one contract though. Thought I had two of them. All right, we're out at City 5. So then let's go back and see if we can find another. Let's see, 36.50. That ain't it. 36. Here's a 36.50. Oh, that's two of them there. So what the devil? Did I have more 36.50s? Let's see. Let's go back to my spreadsheet. 36.50, 35.50. I got two here. 36.50, 35.50. And that one don't even say close it, dang it. But that's with 52 days, no, 52 days left in the trade. 36.50, 35.50, 36.50, 35.50.
Bobby, your other one's right below it. PCS number 9, it looks like.
PCS number 9 or PCS number 7.
Didn't you just close 9, the 100 wide?
Yeah, I just closed one.
And now you're looking at the,
See, there's two contracts here though, Ed, and then there's two contracts here. That's weird. Let's go close another one. So they both have, let's see, 36.50, 35.50 with 39 days left in the trade. Okay, let's see if that must have been the one I closed. Let's see. 36.50.
Bobby, if you go to the top of all those and you stretch your line over a little bit, you can see the expirations without hovering.
How do I do that, Ed? Where?
Go like, yeah, right next to the little lit up person thingy right there.
Mhm.
That, yeah, grab that line and stretch it to the right.
Like this? Oh, I
I don't
see
know
what you're
which-
saying. I see what you're saying.
Yep, yep.
You're saying, okay, this.
Yeah,
That's what you're talking. There we go. So let's see, 36.50,
you're just rusty
35.50.
because you've been on the beach for a week.
Yeah, I'm rusty, Ed. I'm just rusty. All right, so let's get out of this one for 65 cents. That's a 39 days. So that should have us out of all those. So let me, oh no, tell me if that's going to feel at 65. The other one filled. For the love. Damn it. Don't make me do 160 and 170. Ha ha. Thank you, Lord. You heard me. Mr. Eye Candy for sure. Yes, I am. All right, so here I am. And so we got out of that for 65 cents. Let's put that in. 65, we got out of these two for 65 cents. And we got out of them for 17.23. You and I made on those little thingamajiggies 85%. Now, y'all, that ain't bad because we're holding it for 50% of the time. Like if we put something on for 88 days, we're only holding it 44 days. Now, old Bobby here could close another one. I could close all these, but I'm going to tempt fate. I'm going to go and here's where we go back to this. Everything decision is made on this page. I just went down in theta. My theta went down from 72 after closing those two trades. My theta is a measly 67. So old Bob's got to continually feed the beast, feed the beast, feed the beast. So let's go do micros. We're going to do 2 contractors. And we're going to go in here and we're going to go 81 days. We're going to go 9% probability being in the money, or we can sell something for $20. And there we go. 9%. We'll do the 39.50. Let's sell 2 of these. Let's whoop it up to 21.25 or 21.50. 2 of those. Nakeds. Come on, baby. Fill me. Oh, I was going to do 4 of those, wasn't I? Sorry, hold on. Cancel, replace. We'll do 2 lots, 34. And we'll go down to 21.25 and swang batter. Boom, daddy's in for 21.25. Now we're going to go and we're going to go down to the 52 days. We're going to go the 9% probability being in the money. Now, Victor, did you test the 500 and 400 wide as well? I'm just making sure.
Yeah, well, yeah, I did. I would like to do it more, and because I think there's a place for them, but I didn't do detailed analysis over 400, and for up to 400, 300 seemed optimal to me for what I was trying to accomplish. But
Sure.
If you move the post a little bit, like optimizing for some, for a larger pullback or for a smaller, maybe there, you can adjust it.
Also, and I run this by Victor too, one of the things that I was able to do in the account was buy some ES puts. If you'll recall, my trading plan has some a thing in there where I could buy ES puts at 14 days out. So I was buying some 30 days, and I got to this thing to where I said, hey, you know what? How about if on a continual basis, I go, let me get my drawing pad out. Or do y'all want to do this in after school? Maybe we'll do this in after school. So this was, okay, so this is the trade for the day. Anyone got questions on the trades? The trades look good. The trades look fine. Everything looks good. And I will see y'all, ladies and gentlemen, since we're keeping this very, very short, I will see y'all tomorrow.